All right, today I'm going to show you how to prevent your clothes from shrinking inside of a washing machine and a dryer. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to prevent that. I'm gonna show you how to prevent it in the washing machine first and then the dryer. All right, but before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. So here's my washing machine and dryer. They're both front-loading washing machine and dryer. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and act like I'm putting my load of clothes inside of the washing machine. Put the clothes in there, shut the door. And then I'm going to make the selection of what type of cycle that I want. Now, some washing machines, they have a selection where it has anti-shrink. Okay, so this is the anti-shrink mode, which prevents your clothes from shrinking. However, not all washing machines have this option. So I'm going to show you how to prevent the clothes from shrinking a different way. So say, for instance, you make a selection for normal wash or cotton, which I have right here. What I'm going to do is, for normal wash, when you go and make the selection for temperature, make sure that it is cold, okay? So that is prevent them from shrinking. Warm is a better option than taking it hot or extra hot, okay? But if you need warm because your clothes aren't getting quite as clean, it can minimize the shrinking as compared to hot or extra hot. But when I really have clothes that I don't want to be shrank at all, I typically take it to cold and then I start my wash, okay? So that's the washing machine. Next, I'm gonna go to the dryer. Now, when it comes to the dryer, it's a little bit different. Now, if you do not want your clothes to shrink at all, you could take it to, after you load your clothes in, take it to not quick dry, air fluff, no heat. Now that just circulates air around the clothing and it will dry that way. However, it will take an extremely long time to do that. Okay, so say for instance, you just want to minimize the shrinking if there's any at all. I'll just take it to cotton dry, right? And then once you have that, you'll come along and then you will go to the dry level. Okay, it says dry level. You have options of the dry level. Okay, you can take it extra dry on this one, or you can keep it down at low. Or also, in addition to the dry level, okay, so if you want it completely dry or more dry to make sure it's thoroughly dry, it's going to dry your clothes a little bit longer, making it the possibility of it shrinking more. Okay, so you want to have it at the lowest dry level possible. Now, with that being said, your clothes might be a little damp and you might have to let it dry outside of the dryer, but that will prevent it from shrinking. The next option is the heat. Okay, you have on a lot of washing machines or dryers, they have a heat option of how hot you want it. Do you want it super hot heat, which would expedite the process of drying your clothes, or a low heat, which will make the process longer, but will it ensure that your clothes do not shrink as much with low heat? Okay, so those are the options. So you have the dry level, low heat, okay, and you have the air fluff. But the number one way after you've washed it to prevent them from is just to hang up your clothes and let them dry naturally with the air. Okay, so that's how you prevent your clothes from shrinking in a washing machine and dryer. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.